Hey everyone, it's Savella Turner, and today, guys, I want to share with you what our website looks like. I have received a couple of inquiries, if you will, from people asking for the website, asking if I could do a video on the website and kind of explain how to maneuver through the website. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be talking a little fast for some people, maybe a little slow for others, but in any case, if you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, please leave a comment, and if you'd be so kind as to like, comment, and share this video, that would be awesome. It is 2026, and I want to wish everyone a wonderful, wonderful new year and a profitable, happy, and peaceful year. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This is the primary website, which is called CannaBoss Designs. Okay, now this website right here is also called CannaBossHatBar.com, as you can see here and you see here. These two, these are sister companies, okay? I'll explain that as I maneuver through the website. So the first thing is we're going to go through the menu, okay? This is called a menu. So this we have the home page, which is what I'm on here. Then we have a lot of different collections, as you can see, for different products. So when you go to the website, depending on whatever you're looking for, you would just click on, let's say, cancer. You're interested in a cancer product, right? So you click on cancer. I like to talk about cancer a little bit and give some background here and that type of thing. And then this is not all of our products, it's just some products, okay? And then what you would do is you just, click on view more. It's going to take you to the products, and then you can just read about each and every product that you're interested in, okay? All right. So that's how you would get, excuse me, to your collection. And that it works the same way on with all the collections. Now, we are adding more collections, but right now this is what we have. If you want to see something special, a certain type of design, then reach out to us in an email, which will be at the bottom of the video. And then just reach out to us, and then we will do our best as to design this for you. Okay. Let's see. Now this one here is Shop All. When you click on the apparel button right below, that's going to take you to everything that's in our online store that we have so far. Okay, we are adding more and more every single day. We do have new designs coming out for 2026, so be sure to watch for that. I'm so sorry, guys. I have to drink some water here. Give me a minute. If you don't know me, you will learn that every time I do some type of video where I'm talking a lot, I always have water here. So that's what I'm drinking. It's just plain old water. All right. So we do have monthly subscriptions. The first one is the Believer's Boss Box, which is a monthly subscription. You can actually go to that page and read more. Then we have gift cards for people. Then we have our plans and pricing, which prices and tells you about each product. And then we have our sticker shop. Okay, excuse me. And then we also have a t-shirt club. Okay, so I'm not going to go through everything like that. You have to click on it yourself and you can read about it, because this video will be very long if I did that. Okay, so we don't want that. The next is our trucker hat bar, which includes Become a Hat Boss. So if you want to start a hat business, okay, in any state, then you would click there. There is a charge for the items, which will include everything you need to get started. Again, click on Become a Hat Boss, and then all the information is there. If you have questions, reach out to us, okay? If you want to become a hat tender, which is a person who attends the parties, it's usually two. We usually have two hat tenders, and they go into the party and they really run the party with the either kids or adults. And I'm going to do more party videos, but for right now, you can always click on this and get more information. All right. If you want to create your own hat, just nobody on earth has this hat. You have an ideal. You want to create a hat, and it's like, I have this idea. I really want to create this, but I don't know where, or maybe people just don't understand your ideal. You can come here, fill the form out, and you'll talk to one of our hat designers and create your hat for you and make it for you. Okay. And then here is we have different hats, of course, and so all of them have not been uploaded yet. We are getting them uploaded, okay? We've redesigned this whole website. I should say I have redesigned this whole website because Savella Turner did this website, okay? Now, and then here we have starter kits for you if you're thinking about starting a business, or if you just want to buy a starter kit to have at the house for you and your kids to do hats for fun and all that kind of stuff, you can buy a kit for that. But we have 3 different packages, so you can click there and get more information. Now, we also offer, if you want to become an ambassador for CBD, we would love that. Just click on ambassador, it's going to talk more about it. If you want to give back, that's what that page is about. If you want your product to be included into our monthly subscription, then that's what the include your product page is about. If you want to partner with us in something different and talk to us about it, then you click on partner with us and then we will chat. If you need to contact us for any reason, then you would do that here, okay? So I'm gonna go back to the home page. And of course, Valentine's Day is coming up, so it's time to start shopping for that. So here we have it set up by categories, okay? You can see them there. So you just click on whatever category you are interested in. We're going to be adding Valentine's Day. Patriotic is more like 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, like that. Anything patriotic is here. We have teachers, we have more, we have so many designs, guys. And so, yeah, so just click on this. For Valentine's Day, you can, let's see, you can click down here for Valentine's Day, okay, because that's just top priority right now. Also, in the month of February is Black History Month. So you can click here on Black History. It's going to take you over to Black History Month, which is always in February, and just talks a little bit about it and different type of shirts. And we offer more than shirts. I should have said products. You can click here for more products, sorry. And then down here, you can see we have stickers, cups, mugs, a lot of different things, okay? But you can click there to see some things. Okay, so that's for Black History. Let me go back to the home page. Also on the home page is our monthly subscription. Like I said before, we have our t-shirt club, we have our sticker club, and we also have our believers box. This is what everything looks like. And you can learn more. You can click on this, and it's going to take you over to that page. I'm not going to do that again because it really will take a lot of time. If you want to subscribe to our newsletter, here it is here. That's on, not on every single page, but you'll see it throughout the website, okay? So, but it's always, always on the home page. Gift card, this will always change. Color depends on the season, but you can click here and order a gift card and give it as a gift to anyone. We do have some new arrivals coming, which is going to, as you can see, I said yes. Okay, that's obviously wedding, or it could be something else. But for us, it's I said yes to getting married. And then we have, this was our Christmas design, which is slaying this wedding thing. Okay, so if you're getting married around Christmas time for 2026, we have some more things coming out for the wedding arrivals. And then this is a new one that's going to be dropping for February, which is our bougie bride and our bougie groom. This is our design. This belongs to CannaBoss Designs, okay? No one else. Came from Savella's brain. So if you want to request a prayer from us and help us, if you want us to help you pray or pray for something, then this is a request for that. I'm sorry, guys, I've got a little tie tongue. And then if you want to join our group, we do have a group. You can do that here. And then if you'd be so kind as to follow us on social media, that would be awesome. Let's see. And then down here, guys, just talks about the company. And if you want this, that's the reason why this says hat parties. If you want to set up a hat party, so you can do that. Okay, and then we can chat further, but this is one of the pages. So if you have a child's party, I want to make sure I'm clear. All child parties, anything kid related, will not have cannabis at that party at all from this company. We will not offer cannabis to any child party at all. Anyone under 21 and under, no way. Okay. So, but you can book your party here. And then if you want to have, it just kind of talks about everything, what's included, that type of thing. Um, some of our little designs our kids have made in the past. Okay. And then pricing again kind of breaks it down for you. And then here's our scheduler. You can just schedule whatever date and time you like. Okay. And if the time is not here, then send us an email so we can go ahead and get that set up for you. You will have to pay half up front, okay, as a down payment, and then the rest, as you can see there, and the rest, you know, before the party begins. Now, if you, I thought to maybe, let me see here. And then if you, yeah, that's the same page. Oh, no, it's not. It's a different page. Okay. All right. So this kind of talks about the parties here. Again, with the kids' parties here. But if you want to have a adult party, which, oh, here it is, adult party, you can absolutely have an adult party. If you want to learn more, you just click on that. I'll show you this real quick. We have several different plans, because everybody wants to have a different type of party. Now, this one here this is the cost. This breaks everything down. You guys can read that on your own. It's no cannabis, but if you wanted to have this party and have cannabis, they're for adults only. That's why it says per adult. Then you can reach out to us. But normally, people, when they choose this one, they don't have cannabis at the party. This one, you can have cannabis at the party, and this one, you can too. But just so I'm clear, it depends on your state, your city and state. Okay. I am in Colorado, so of course it's okay, right? But if you're in a different state and cannabis is not allowed, then we cannot um allow a cannabis party. It's just that simple, guys. I just want to make sure that that's clear. We have to stand by the law and we have to follow those rules, and that's just the way it goes, okay? What you do when we're not there, that's up to you. But for as far as us being there, if you're in a state where you cannot have it, then we cannot have it there at the party. Otherwise, we can have an awesome, awesome cannabis trucker party. And let me explain, it is just basic things. It's nothing, it's more recreational. Let me say it that way, okay? Because a lot of people, and I'll do another video on that, on the cannabis stuff. And the reason why we've decided to add cannabis into our business is because cannabis helps so many people. And I know it can hurt so many people, but our focus is to help people, is the wellness side of the cannabis and the recreational side. We do not judge, and I think I did a video before on my own personal dealings with cannabis in the past. I do not smoke cannabis or take any type of cannabis related products at all at this time, but in the past I have. So we'll talk about that in another video. Okay. But anyhow, these are the pricing for that, and that's how you can, get that going. Now, if you're looking for digital products, we do offer ebooks and things. This is in regards to the trucker hats and getting started in trucker hat business, not the t-shirt business, but I can help you with the t-shirt business as well. Excuse me, but we've been getting a lot of lot of inquiries, if you will, from people who are wanting to start a trucker hat business for 2026. So I have created an ebook for that, a workbook for that. If you want to have a bundle, both of them, ebook and a workbook. There's also a simple little checklist. And then we do have a hat book planner coming out really less than a week, but I'm going to say it's ready. I just have to do a couple of tweaks and then it will be out here and it's only going to be 20 bucks. Now, these are all going to be digital products, okay? I don't know why that's not there. I don't know. I think someone is working on something while I'm doing this video. So I do have a team. And so yeah, somebody's probably working on something, but we do have vendor connections. I have to talk to you about that in another video, but we do offer that as well. So that is the website. It's very simple and easy to maneuver through. Okay. At least for me, of course. But if you have questions again, please reach out and let's talk about it. Okay. Let's talk about it. Now, our sister company, CannaBoss Hat Bar. This is where we only discuss hats, no other products, just the hats. So, same thing. Here's our menu, here's our home page, here's our about page, our products, our recommended tools, and our contact information. Okay. So we're on our home page. All right. So we create hats for a group of people if that's what you want. That's what this was for a group of entrepreneurs, if you will. They are online and offline, and they wanted us to create some hats. So these are the hats that we created for them. And anytime we create something for you specifically, we would love for you to share it on your page, on our page, do a little write up, that type of thing. It helps us to grow. And we also learn what we could do better, okay, and what we can change, what we could do better. So, um, yeah, so that's what this is about. And then just breaks down about trucker hats, our misconceptions, things like that. If you want to start how to get started as a hat boss, you click here. And yes, that is a picture of me holding some hats that have been created for different people and that type of thing. But again, this is a simple website to use as well, okay? And here is where if you wanted that ebook, it's $37 and you would get the ebook, okay? So that's what that's about. Let me take you up. This just talks about us, the company, what we're all about, that kind of thing. So you can read that at your leisure. These are our digital products. Okay, so right now we offer 6 digital products. Okay, we offer our ebook here. Here it is. Unlock our secret vendors. Then our ebook and our workbook, and then our ebook checklist and the workbook here. And then this is just the workbook, and then this is just the checklist. So these are our our products for now here. Then some of our marketing tools. We use BizStack Pro. It is a wonderful company. Everything you need in one place. You don't have to be paying 10 different people for 10 different things. Really, it's all wrapped up in one place. This website, all of my websites have been built through BizStack Pro. Funnels, emails, SMS, everything is through this one all-in-one business workflow, and that's why it's a wonderful tool. Okay, so that's what this is. All right, and some of our party tools that will help you along the way. I thought this would be a helpful thing for you. So that's what this website looks like. And so, guys, again, let me know if you have any questions, need help with something, want to schedule a party, or just want to chat a little bit. Please let me know. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.